What are you making here, Vanessa?
This here is albacore, wild albacore tuna omelette.
Smoke?
With the best. No, this is not smoked. Actually, yes, it is smoked.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Yeah, smoked albacore.
No,
Wonderful.
smoked tuna omelet
Yeah.
with cream cheese?
Yeah, we put a little cream cheese in.
Yeah.
Goes really well.
Yeah.
And the omelette has chives,
Yeah.
little green onions, and fresh dill in it.
Okay.
And I make 2 omelettes here, as you can see. So I'm kind of flipping them over. I want to turn the heat down. And then we are dividing them
Okay.
like this.
Yeah.
Flip this over. This goes in here, and they will be topped with a wonderful béarnaise sauce.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm gently going to heat it through, and for that purpose I'm going to put a lid on to create
Some
steam inside, right? So we'll leave that.
Okay. These are done now, I guess,
Yeah,
eh?
yeah,
They've steamed out, they've cooked through.
yeah.
Very nice. So we're plating these now. And what's the sauce you've put on there, Vanessa?
This is a dill béarnaise with capers.
Yes.
Homemade, of course, with wonderful free-run eggs.
Free-run eggs, that's from those happy chickens. Free-range eggs.
Yeah.
And what's this now?
This is salicornia or sea asparagus. It's only available for a very short time
Right.
in Victoria.
And it's a
West
seaweed that tastes like asparagus.
Yeah, it's a little salty. Tastes like asparagus. Looks like asparagus.
Looks like
It's
asparagus,
a little
tastes
salty,
like
of course.
asparagus.
Sea salt, right? So don't add any salt.
And these are your home fries
Yeah.
with herbs de Provence.
Herbs de Provence and fresh parsley today.
Okay.
And these here are Yukon Gold potatoes.
Yukon Gold potatoes.
Yeah, only the best.
Okay. This is a finished product here. Very nice.
Yeah.
And this is
Yeah.
you always have
This
this
is
or
sushi
only
grade.
in season?
We only have it in season. Yeah, in the summer.
Okay.